Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Destiny back here again with another video. Guys, I will be showing you how to take all of this thick hair. If you have thick hair like me, you know the struggle. But I'm going to show you how to take all of this thick hair and put it into a low ponytail, because I know y'all have issues with low ponytail. So I'm going to be transitioning from this to this. You'll see how I get all of this into a low ponytail, guys. Keep watching. So first, I just moisturize my hair with any type of product that you have. So my hair was already wet, but I wet it some more so I could brush it. So right here, I'm getting ready to part my hair. I couldn't choose which one, but I decided on the side part. Once again, I'm stuck with Gorilla Snot Gel. I haven't went to get Eco Style yet, but it's the best gel to use. And I just swoop that down and keep moving. Here's the thing, since my hair is thicker, I go and part my hair into 3 sections and I gel each part down before I put it into a ponytail. Only in my low ponytails do I ever use mousse, okay? It's really good for laying down the hair. So right here, I'm just using Edge Boost to put on my edges as I put my hair in a ponytail. Since my hair is so thick, I always have to brush as I go as I'm putting my hair in a ponytail. So right here, I'm just laying down my whole ponytail with a little gel, and then I brush it. Now I'll lay my hair down with a scarf. Hey guys, and thank you for watching. I hope this helped anyone who wanted to do a low ponytail on their natural hair. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.